So what happens when you are taking your jars out of the canner and they start popping immediately? What do? Hi, my name is Sharon Peterson and I'm with simplycanning.com, where you can find home canning tutorials, tips and tricks, and online classes. Please join me there and I will help you get your pantry filled. So today's question comes from my inbox, and this is from Anne. Let me read you her question here. It says, Sharon, your canning article will be very helpful in the future. I have a question that I hope you have an answer. I was putting up some pepper jelly. As I was taking my jar out of the water bath, 10 minutes, my seals started popping. What went wrong? Will I need to toss this batch? So Anne's concern is that as she's taking the jars out, they're already popping. And as most canners know, that popping sound is a good thing, but I did want to clarify with her. My response was, when you say popping, do you mean they're making a popping sound? If so, that's good, but if you mean that the lids are popping up and unsealing, then you'll need to check those seals. So what you want to do when you're taking your jars out of the canner, sometimes they will immediately start popping. Generally, you'll put them on the counter and after a few minutes, they'll start popping. But the popping sound is a good thing if it indicates that this lid is popping down. Now, what you want to do is just leave the jar on the counter, ignore the popping sound, or you can even watch them and you can see lids going up and down. When they are totally cool is when you want to check that lid. You want to make sure that the seal is down, and then you know that you have a good seal. So the popping sound immediately is not a problem. Don't start pushing on the lid, don't touch it, don't just put it on the counter, let it pop, and then when they are completely cooled off, then you can make sure whether the lid is sealed. So I hope that was helpful. You guys have a great day. Come visit me at simplycanning.com and we will see you in the next canning chat. Bye.